Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Windows 11 is up to date and you have a system restore point. This protects you if an install goes wrong. Next, open Device Manager. Right-click Start and choose Device Manager, because drivers are managed there. Once Device Manager is open, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and find the Realtek entry. This identifies the exact device name and status so you know whether to update, roll back, or reinstall the driver. You now update or install the driver. Right-click the Realtek device and choose Update Driver, then try Search automatically for updated drivers so Windows fetches a compatible package. If that fails, download the official Realtek driver or motherboard audio package and choose Browse My Computer for drivers, pointing to the extracted folder. Make sure you pick the correct 64-bit build and device ID. This prevents mismatches and ensures codecs and control panel components install properly. Once files copy, continue to restart if prompted. Finish by restarting your PC to let Windows finalize driver registration and audio services, then test playback and any enhancements in sound settings to confirm functionality. If audio is worse or missing, go back to Device Manager, choose Properties Right Arrow Driver and use Roll Back Driver, or uninstall the device and reinstall the correct package to clear corrupted installs. For persistent failures, check Device Manager error codes and Event Viewer logs to see why installation failed. That guides the next steps or a clean driver install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.